Hey everyone, good afternoon. Well, it's afternoon in my time. I hope all is well. So now we're going to be going to doing question 4a, part 2. Right? This is May 2017, of course. Question 4a, part 2, functions question. Deal with a functions question here which says, find x when f of x is equal to 5. Now, we always need to rewrite our function. It's very, very important. Any substitutions which need to take place, we don't want to do it blindly. We want to write our functions. We want to get the marks we want. We want to get our grade 1, grade 2, whatever you desire. We want to get it and move on. So anyways, so rewriting our function, we have f of x is equal to a third x, let me just write that properly, yes, minus 2. And what we have here, find x when f of x is equal to 5, right? F of x is equal to 5. See, that is quite important, quite important. We say here f of x is equal to 5, and we have f of x is equal to a third x minus 2. So that would mean, and that would tell us that 5 is equal to this, because f of x is 5, and f of x is a third x minus 2, if you want to look at it that way. So in putting the 5 into this, since we know f of x is equal to 5, we're just going to write 5 is equal to a third x minus 2. And we want to solve for the unknown. The unknown in this case is x, right? So in solving for x, you need to first carry across this minus 2. Well, I mean, we could work with the, no, it's best we work with the minus 2 for now, to make life simple. So in doing this here, we are having the minus 2 come across, it will become plus 2. So this will be 5 plus 2 is equal to a third x. And when we know 5 plus 2 is 7 is equal to a third x. Now we're moving here now for space-wise, and we want to find x. So let me just rewrite that here. 7 is equal to a third x. So we know that the third, 1/3 is related to the x by a multiplication. And when we carry this across here, it'll be division, right? So when we carry it across, it'll become 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to x, right? We could also look at this if you want in terms of cross multiplication, where we put 7 over 1 is equal to a third over x, right? And we just cross multiply, and we have 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21, and it will be, of course, equal to x. In this case, x here will be the numerator, right? So this will be 21 is equal to x, where we cross multiply it. Or we could have also just carried it across and divided, which, of course, we will be getting the same answer. So 21 is equal to x. So let me rewrite that here. X is equal to 21. So, and that's the answer. Should be correct. And that's it. The next part, part 3, deals with an inverse function. And I know a few people have messaged me and told me that they need help with the inverse function in particular. So I'm going to be doing that next, part 3.